Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna show you a glitch for the crown shop. Now, if you see, I have to go to the gold in the crown shop. Gold. -1. Bye. Okay, now let's look at my gold. See, it's glitched out. So, it's a glitch. A really cool glitch. I'm level 50. Grandmaster Storm. And this is how much gold I got from just pressing -1 gold. Infinite gold. And the energy, I don't know how that happened, but the energy was a glitch. And, well, the critical rating, it's not really a glitch. I have that much. But I have nothing in my backpack. So, if you go to the crown shop, but you have to go to gold and buy with gold, and then it'll say -1, and then bye, and gold, infinite. So, there you go, YouTube. You just try that, it'll work, I'm sure. But this might get patched, so I don't know when, but bye.